The gentleman offering Alex a former fellow visa course who may come through. But not been able to trouble the top 10. Happy Shirey did hang on to a place in Q2 despite that real horrible high-speed crash at turn 1 very early on the session. And then Brivio, the teammate looking up. Spears on there, Jack Miller. GP podium here in Phillip Island. He's been inside that top 3 in every session so far. Quick reminder for you that, of course, after this session we will have a short lunch break, if you like. We'll be back with Moto3 qualifying from 1:30.
Race as well, just tagging onto the back of this group.
Maverick Vinales.